Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Jeremy. Jeremy came back in for a 1-year follow-up. You look amazing. I love the hairline. I love how rich and full your hairline looks. Tell us about your experience.
The experience was amazing. I didn't think it would be possible, but I'm so happy I decided to come in and get it done that day. And I love the outcome. My biggest problem was the top and my hairline, the front line. But I love the way it turned out. The growth is going well, and I can even twist it, play with it. So I love it. It's amazing.
And we actually lowered your hairline about almost 2 centimeters to be exact. And you just had thinning throughout that frontal area. Your scar. You're still doing a fade pattern, and I had a hard time finding it.
Yes, I used to wear caps a lot to hide the thinning of my hair, but now I'm free. Like I can go out and just be, comfortable in my skin and with my new hair.
So the friends that you have that knew that you had the procedure done, what do they say?
They love it. They love it. They actually thinking about getting it done themselves.
Well, you look absolutely amazing for somebody who's on the fence about getting a hair transplant or concerned about the incision site. Some of the patients say, "Oh, I'm worried about having a scar." Tell them what your experience is with that.
Oh, the scar is very it's very thin. You could barely see it, and you don't even notice it when you rub your fingers through it. You can't even find it yourself when you rub your fingers through your hair. It's that thin.
Exactly. Well, you are doing me a favor by coming in the office today to do a video for us and for the 1-year follow-up. I always appreciate these 1-year follow-ups. This is why I love what I do, having had the hair transplant myself, and then seeing that I can share my experience with others, and you look amazing. I want you to wear this hair forever in good health, and Happy New Year, and you look great. Thanks so much.
Happy New Year too.